let's look at the push button. We've looked at a couple of terminals already. We've seen where the 24 volts feeds the plus side of the button. We've seen where the negative side of the button goes out and ties to all the other negatives. Okay. We've seen that common on the relay, which is fed from the NC, or the orange cable, off of the motion sensor. So what we have not seen is the LED and the output. Well, the LED is pretty simple. We just need a jumper between NC to carry our power to the plus side of the LED. Simple enough. NC to plus, minus, you could run that minus to this minus, and then all of your blacks are together again. Taking it one step further, that NC also is the output to the plus side of the maglock. The minus side of the maglock ties to all your other blacks. The plus side of the maglock comes to NC. NC also feeds the plus side of the LED. Let's have a look. Going back down the end of our candy cane cable to our button, we've got, let's flip this around to make it a little bit better. Oops, blurry. Okay, so we've got your LED plus is that white jumper that goes over here to NC. Sorry, that's hard to see. NC, as I said, goes to the maglock, which I'll show you. That's that white cable now. And it also goes to the plus side of the LED. The minus side of the LED is just a black, and it runs, I've just got it jump out over here to this other negative side of this power, right? So that puts all of our minus powers together. All of our plus powers, or our plus power, is the NC to the plus on the LED, and that white cable is going to feed the plus side of the maglock. So let's make sure. We'll follow this gray cable from the door, or where the button is. Okay, here's the gray cable. And I said the white, which I've got wire nutted to another white, is going to feed the power on the maglock. So here's that white. Okay, I've got it running here. Here's that white. And as you see, it feeds the plus side of the maglock. The minus side of the maglock is that black cable. And what do all the black cables do? They all tie together. So that black cable comes down to this wire nutted jumble of black cables, except for that one white. If you watch the earlier videos, you know what that is. And that's it. That wires up the maglock between the button, the motion sensor, and the maglock. In the next video, I'll turn it on and show you how it works.